Okay, welcome to channel Ros Apps. Hi creator, today I am introduce JavaScript if else condition, and I want to show you about how to use if condition. Okay, now look at together what's condition of function, and I will tell you about condition ifs and how to use syntax if also. Okay, let's to design code VBs on VS Code program altogether. Now I use if 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 once with zero, one with zero, okay. Alert statement one is greater than zero. Okay. In condition if one small than zero, condition if one small than zero, we need to alert one is less than zero. Okay. And then we need to open syntax JavaScript type that JavaScript. Okay. Cut here. Okay. Now we can run this. We get the result we saw display like that. One is greater than zero. Mean that this if condition express if one with zero, and this alert mean that code to be executes if condition is true. One is greater than zero is true, because if we access if condition one with zero, and then so the result one is greater than zero. Okay, greater, yeah. Okay. And this example syntax if how to use if condition. If we have if condition one with zero, alerts one is greater than zero, and if we have condition if one small zero, alerts one is less than zero. But alert mistakes one is less than zero cannot alert mistake. Will not be displayed because it's not true. This condition is wrong. And I will explain you again. We did in the about example, the first if statement contain one big zeros as condition is expression the conditional express one big zero will be evaluated to true. So and alert message one in one is greater than zero will be displayed. We did like this. Yes, we did if is true condition one is greater than zero. And various condition expressed is can its a statement will be evaluated to false. So let's one is less than zero. With this alert message will be not displayed. Okay. Now I will add one example for you for more understand. So I need to close this statement. Okay. I example about stuff. We need to define what my salary. Okay, my salary equal $1,000. Okay, and it what your salary $500. Okay, so I need condition express use if my salary big than your salary. Okay, big than your salary. I love my salary. My salary is greater than your salary. Okay. Let's to check the result altogether. Okay. Okay. We did. The result display on my computer. My salary is greater than your salary. We did. If we access to condition is true. If my salary is bigger than your salary, so alert my salary is greater than your salary is true condition. Okay, now in our lesson unit 7 say about if condition. Just finish like that.
And every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.